Contributory negligence is a doctrine of common law that if a person was injured in part due to his or her own negligence, the injured party would not be entitled to collect any damages from another party who supposedly caused the accident. Under this rule, a badly injured person who was only slightly negligent could not win in court against a very negligent defendant. The possible unfair results have led some juries to ignore the rule and, in the past few decades, most states have adopted a comparative negligence test in which the relative percentages of negligence by each person are used to determine damage recovery, how much money would be paid to the injured person.